Hello, word. Welcome back to another episode where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is buddy. It's a C1 level noun meaning friend. So, what exactly does buddy mean? Well, in simple terms, a buddy is a friend, a pal, or a companion. It's often used in informal settings and can imply a sense of camaraderie and closeness. Think of it as someone you share good times with, someone you can count on. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for buddy. A very common synonym is friend. For example, he's my best friend. Another synonym is pal. Hey pal, how's it going? We can also use the word companion. My dog is a loyal companion. Another option is mate, although this is more commonly used in British English. He's a good mate to have around. Finally, consider the word chum, which carries a similar sense of friendly intimacy. They've been chums since kindergarten. Let's examine how these synonyms are used in sentences. Instead of saying, he's my buddy from college, we could say, he's my friend from college. Or instead of saying, hey buddy, can you give me a hand? We could say, hey pal, can you give me a hand? Using companion, we could say, my cat has become a constant companion during lockdown, replacing a sentence like, my cat has become a constant buddy during lockdown. In British English, he is a good mate is similar to he is a good buddy. And for chum, they are the best chums. Now, let's look at antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of buddy. One antonym could be enemy. For example, he is my enemy. Another is foe. She is my political foe. We could also consider adversary. He is a formidable adversary in the competition. A less direct antonym could be stranger. I am a stranger in this land. And finally, rival is an antonym if we consider that a buddy would not compete against you. A rival does. He is my rival in chess. Now, let's see how these antonyms work in sentences. Instead of saying he is a buddy, we might say he is my enemy. Or instead of we're buddies, we could say we are political foes. Using adversary, he isn't a buddy, he is a fierce adversary in the courtroom. Instead of that buddy gave me a ride, a stranger gave me a ride expresses the opposite. To show that someone isn't a buddy but a rival, he is my rival for the top sales position. Let's talk about how you can use buddy in everyday life. You might say to a coworker, hey buddy, grab a coffee with me. Or if someone is feeling down, you could say, don't worry, buddy, things will get better. You might also use it when offering help. Need a hand with that, buddy? It's a versatile word that conveys friendliness and support. Now, let's consider some usage examples in sentences and phrases. He's my buddy from way back. They're the best of buddies. I'm going on a fishing trip with my buddy. He's always been a good buddy to me. Hey buddy, can you pass me the salt? We're buddies for life. Let's review what we've learned. Buddy is a C1 level noun that means friend or companion. Some synonyms include friend, pal, companion, mate, and chum. Antonyms include enemy, foe, adversary, stranger, and rival. Remember, buddy is a friendly term you can use in various situations to express camaraderie and support. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word buddy. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. Before you go, I'd love it if you could subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and I value your feedback. And now a little creative task. Create your own sentence using the word buddy and share it as a comment under the video. I look forward to reading your sentences. Until next time, happy learning!